Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick look at this Kinesio tape. My wife actually buys this for wrinkle prevention, but I actually use it also because I have a sleep apnea machine and I have to use one of the pieces for it that just goes around my nose because the normal ones can't fit around my beard. So I actually use this stuff at nighttime to help tape my mouth shut so the machine can just work through my nostrils. And I really like it because it doesn't cause any irritation on my face and it's easy to pull off in the morning. So even with my beard and everything, it keeps my mouth shut, but I don't have, it doesn't pull out on my face hair or anything in the morning, so it works really nice for that. See if I just cut a piece and try to get it peeled off here so I can show you. There we go. So obviously this is the green color, so I'll give you a close look. It stretches really nice. Like it sticks again, but also comes off easily. So it's just a really nice tape. It works again for myself and for my wife. We both really like it. She buys it all the time.